Hakin ni kesengi banalain, lami buon kijing persya nakibabuon kiliang, ban IT ya kisna trekam ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, syaki company kiriushimen, bat kilami ru buon kijing kentho ya kini katana trekam. Kumta ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haka khandai tarik ujiliu kala shim ya karai bahkan IY show ya ki artli ke circle jong ke MeECL syaki company hendrai ke Sorkar kan shim hino halade ya ke jingkit kli ban mang pisa na kabanta ban seo ya karam kabala shim da ke MeECL lengba ke atma nirbhar.
Hakani kejengelang jangka kunhun menteri kebelalum dong menteri rangba kejelau Kynran kongkal sangma lai taisani halor kejing syem mekaram atma nirbhar dak MeECL kenang bagan nak bansio pendep kepisa kebasa syaki company penmi boarding kebelas ateng la shipos nemtam kebalakot syaka syihajar laispa kelur tengka Kynran kongkal sangma habekran beginong tok kubor ulia tu baka REC bat ke PFC kilebuk kendon ke Sorkar jela bat ke MeECL haba pelat ya karam hakawat ke benengkong bat cua ban pelat ke pisah hakawat ke baar ke bankot hendrius pak kelur tam ke REC ke PFC bat ke tenat boarding kila banjur bagi Sorkar jela ke deban ay ke garanti ni kejengkular ban siu pendep ke pisah nakaram ke bakot syaka arhajar kelur tengka hakish posnem ki banwan ni ban siu katukane nakani ke pisah bat ban ay penyat iki arteligi circle jong ke MeECL Ulaong baga kunhun menteri kelai taisani halor kejing pensngo menteri ketenat boarding nang ta jong ketenat boarding ki bor peniat bat kinong tre jong ke MeECL ya kejing don kam bagan don kejing kelah hakurukom tre kam kumta ka kunhun menteri kelarai baga Sorkar jela kan cime kejingkit klik ban siu pendap hi ya kene karam Kynran kongkal sangma ulaong bawa la ke Sorkar kelas cime kene karai hendrai ke MeECL kan hab ban penurlong hi kendon kata ban bo benda ya kejing don jeng em jongka hak Sorkar ban penti kena bagan don kejing singa ke Sorkar jela bala betha ya ketenat platengka bat ketenat boarding ban pen krek bat pen biang hi kejing don kam baro ki ba ke MeECL ka hab ban pendap
Let me also clarify, which there have been a lot of concerns in the public also, that distribution franchises are not something that are new. Distribution franchises have been there for a long time. And there are many distribution franchises that are there working even as we speak. A large number of them are in Garo Hills. Some are there in Khasi Hills also, and some are there in Jingthmu Hills also. So across the state, the DFs have been there for quite some time. It's not a new concept. With that background, yesterday, the Power Department, led by the Power Minister himself and the Chairman of MeECL, had a detailed meeting with me, which lasted for quite some time, where they have shown the different aspects of power and also different steps that they will take to ensure that the reforms take place to achieve the overall revenue that is expected and also to reduce the AT&C losses if given a chance. And they stressed again yesterday that the DF option should not be taken. Similarly, I had a meeting and a discussion with the employees of MeECL also, and they have also expressed similar concerns in line with what the Honourable Minister Power has said, that DF option may not be taken and state government may give full budgetary provision. And the MeECL and its staff and engineers and the department would work together to ensure that the different targets that in case are put in will also be achieved. Today in the cabinet, all these aspects of what are the pros of going with DF, what are the cons of going with DF, and similarly what are the pros and cons of not going with DF were presented to the cabinet. It was also clarified to the cabinet that these funds are going to come out from the same pool of resources that the state government has. So therefore, any payment or any support that is given, which will be, as I said, a budgetary provision, will come out, in case we have to pay, will come out from the overall development budget of the state, therefore impacting the overall development aspect also. So all these aspects were made very clear to the Cabinet. And in the Cabinet meeting, I also expressed the concerns that the Power Minister had given, and the Cabinet also heard that. And considering the request that has been put in by the Power Minister, the Power Department, the MeECL management, and the MeECL employees, and giving the commitment that reforms will take place, the Cabinet today decided that we will give a chance to the MeECL and to the Power Department with 100% budgetary support for the Atmanirbhar loan. But this support of 100% will come along with certain targets that need to be met in a time-bound manner. And number two, that there has to be some kind of a security in terms of mortgage of assets to the government of Meghalaya to ensure that there is some kind of safety and security for the state government also.